How to play videos while on call on Android. Want to watch videos while staying on call? Here's how to do it on Android. So first and foremost, go ahead and long press Messenger, and then once you long press it, select app info. That will take you here. So in here, go ahead and scroll down and you should find display over other apps. So make sure to enable this to be able to keep your call open on a pop-up and your video app on your main screen. So you can go ahead and join a video call while scrolling through any social media application you prefer to use while talking with someone. And that is how you can basically play videos while on call on Android.